What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. Now, a company called Metisinno reached out and said, would I like to try out some MagSafe accessories for the iPhone? So I was like, absolutely, let's do this. So they sent me out a car mount, a MagSafe ring holder and a MagSafe base, plus the pop socket that goes on the MagSafe base. Now you may be thinking, a pop socket and a MagSafe base? Well, let me show you. So let's jump into the MagSafe ring holder first. So it comes in this white little box like so. This is the way you'd open it. So you just slide it open like so, and there it is. So there's the instructions inside. And if we take it out, basically get this, you get the MagSafe ring and a little ring holder. So if we go ahead and place it on the back of the phone, like so, and you can literally pick it up. I mean, that's how strong the magnet is in this. But if we slide it round, so that's basically what you're going to end up with, is this ring holder on the back of your phone. And also what you can do is you can move it down ever so slightly and stand your phone up and watch some content. So you can use this for that. And then literally when you come to charge your phone overnight, if you use a wireless charger, take it off, and then in the morning you just slap it back on and away you go. But that is in place of obviously having a pop socket. It's just something that you can take off nice and easy. So there's that one. Next up, you've got the MagSafe base. So if we slide it out like so, again, instructions in the middle and what not to do. Place that out the way, and then you get this metal base with the MagSafe in the middle. You just go ahead and slap it on the phone, and that is what you'd end up with. So then what you can also do as well is with the MagSafe ring, you can go ahead and place it on this, so you're not placing it on your phone, and it's now connected with the metal base. So when you take them off overnight, and the magnet is super strong by the way, but it does come off. So you slap it on, slap that on, and you've now got a lovely base that's not going to mark up your phone, and then you just take it off. God, it's so hard to take off, but it's what you want, you know, when it's sitting on your phone, on the back of your phone like that. But again, what you can also actually do is take a pop socket and you place it in the centre. So they were kind enough to send one out. As you can see, it's got their logo on the pop socket, and then it sits in the middle like so. Then you got yourself a pop socket on a magnetic base that you can remove from your phone, so you can stick it on a MagSafe charger. Plug the leather case on, so I can grab the magnet, slap it in the back of the case, and I'm not ruining my case. You know, if I don't want the pop socket on one day, I can take this off. If I don't want the MagSafe ring holder on the back of my case, I can take it off and not have it sitting on the back of my iPhone case. So there's those that they sent out, which is very kind of them to send them out. I really do appreciate it. But they also sent me out a MagSafe car vent. So let me go ahead and get this out, and then we'll go and fit it into the car and I'll show you what it's like. But basically what they do is they give you this metal bracket. The holder sits in the metal bracket and your phone rests on that bottom foot. But I wasn't a big fan of that. Took the metal bracket off, and now I just have it like this, and I literally just grab my phone, slap it on the back, and it's now on there. That's not coming off. And then what you'd also get in the box is this right here. So this goes in the back of the MagSafe holder into that hole right there, and then this right here this twists into your vent to attach to it. So you expand it out, put them in, and then reel it back in, and your phone will sit on this on your dashboard. So let me go ahead and let's go and put this in the car, and I'll show you what it looks like in the car before we end the video. Huge thanks to Metisinno for sending these over. But that is the MagSafe vent holder. Let me know what you think of all the MagSafe stuff, by the way, and if there's anything you want to see me check out on the channel going forward, especially with the 14 Pro Max, or any videos you want to see coming up in the future, be sure to let me know. But let's go ahead and fit this in the car and see how it looks. Now this is how I definitely prefer to have it without this. Obviously it's not going to hold onto the bottom of the phone. I just think that's so much better without having that stupid unsightly bar. And as you can see, it sits on really, really nicely. Now, however, if like me you've got a lot of MagSafe devices, which is why I normally have the Belkin mount in the car, if you've got an Android phone and you get the MagSafe ring on the back, as you can see, you can now have your Android phone with your MagSafe. Now I will leave some links in the description to where you can pick these up for yourself, and also where you can get those MagSafe rings for any phone. So if you've got numerous devices, or you use an Android phone, then I will leave links in the description down below to where you can pick that ring up for yourself. So literally you can just fit it to any phone, as you can see, or any case that you've got that you want to make MagSafe. It just sits in like so, and now you've got a Pixel or whatever phone you need, MagSafe, and obviously you can use other various MagSafe accessories to go with it too. So everyone, let me know what you think in the comment section down below of those MagSafe adapters. Let me know what you think. Also, I'll leave links in the description to where you can pick the stuff up for yourself, including the little ring adapters to turn any phone MagSafe for all your MagSafe accessories, battery packs, wallets, etc. You can use all of them. But thank you guys so much for watching, and a huge thanks to Metisinno for sending these products out for us to check out. I appreciate it as always. But thank you guys so much for watching. Like if you liked it, subs if you loved it, turn those notifications on, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care guys, stay safe.